How did it take for you? In my sweet and some really so kind me no kind. I've been doing really. Believe one got to read your day.